Fedora versus Ubuntu. Which Linux distro is better? So let's compare them. Number one is their features and user experience. Fedora is known for being cutting edge. It ships the latest GNOME releases, offers Wayland by default, and appeals to users who want the newest Linux features. Ubuntu, on the other hand, focuses on stability. It's polished beginner-friendly and comes with an LTS release cycle, making it a favorite for enterprises and new users alike. Number two is their software and package management. Fedora uses DNF and supports RPM packages with Flatpak as a key integration. This makes it great for accessing up-to-date applications, while Ubuntu relies on apt and deb packages, alongside Snap for universal packaging. Snap can sometimes feel slower but is widely supported. Number three, their performance and hardware support. Fedora runs well on modern systems but might not support older hardware as smoothly as for modern systems, while Ubuntu has broader compatibility out of the box, especially with proprietary drivers, which is helpful for NVIDIA GPU users and general desktop hardware. Number four, its community and support. Ubuntu has one of the largest Linux communities, plus backing from Canonical, while Fedora's community is smaller but highly dedicated with strong Red Hat support behind it. So, for final verdict, if you want cutting edge Linux and you don't mind updating often, Fedora is the best for you. But if you need long-term stability and easier support, Ubuntu is the safer choice. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.